Okay.
What?
Nothing.
Exactly what? Okay.
You see it? Typical Chris comment.
That's a good thing. Who picked up on it real fast? Uh-huh. She thought the same thing.
Yeah, I know. Start whacking. Keep going.
Oh! It's like that commercial.
Don't hit me! Somebody help him!
He's gonna go off the edge.
Come here. Get out of the way. Come here. Hey.
Wait, can we?
Here, ready?
Come on, you can hit harder than that.
Guys? Ready? Come on. Stay over here. You don't get hit.
All right.
Every 15 swings is 10 minutes earlier to bed. Oh! That's a good one.
Beat the heck out of it.
All right, can we get the boys a turn? Yay! Hey, and you know what? Now the boys try, and then if they don't beat it and win it,
Process now, you know.
then they have to try.
She looked on the ground like, okay, what the heck? She's
gotta
like,
take
well,
part
that
at
worked for
first.
nothing. Okay, let
Lincoln.
the boys try. Our
Lincoln, you want to go? Your turn.
Come here. We'll get the
Hey,
blindfold
back
on.
down.
Come here.
Good job, Abby.
Abby.
Woo!
Oh,
Hey, come here.
You did a good job.
These are weapons. Okay.
Okay, everybody else has to stand back.
You must be pretty sure.
No to worry.
You're right.
Not to worry.
Glad I didn't take that.
Wait, your turn.
Here, Luke, come here.
Abby, was that fun? You'll get to try again if Lincoln doesn't bust it.
You want to take a turn?
look, come on, go, go, go.
Watch Lincoln.
Whack away. No, turn.
Whoa.
It's okay. Here, I'll get you going.
Watch Lukey. Watch Lukey. Watch.
Go, go, Lincoln! Yeah! Woo!
Hit him hard. Hit him hard.
Yeah! Woo! That's it!
Mom, when am I gonna turn?
After Lukey gets a turn.
$1,000
You win.
Woo! Go Lincoln! Yeah! Oh, there you go! Yeah! You'll get a turn again. Chill out.
Abby, you have cramps?
Huh?
This way, buddy. I got you.
Daddy's gonna help. Why? What?
Such a good idea, Liv.
It is a good idea. Hey, listen, don't cry because then you won't be ready for your next turn.
Good job, Lincoln.
Okay, now it's Luke's turn.
Oh, good job.
Honey, everybody has to have a turn and then it can be your turn again.
She want to go?
No. Let Luke go. Thank you, though.
Okay, Luke. Okay.
Do you think?
You ready?
Oh, he's the little guy. I don't know if he should have.
Ready?
Wow. I'd get out of the way.
Watch out, Lincoln.
That's a real stick.
Yeah, it's a wooden. Man, that thing could beat.
Get him. Get him, Luke.
Keep going. There you go. Go.
Two hands. Two hands.
Two hands.
There you go.
Hit. There you go. Got it.
It's okay, honey. Go, Lukey.
Wait, he's trying.
Do it again. Do it again. Right there.
There he is.
He can take off the blindfold. He's
There,
younger.
you do it like that. All right, now
Go.
get it.
Hey, you know what? We should probably do that.
Take it off.
Yeah.
It's so much funnier when
I know.
Yeah, Greg would move it.
Harder, Luke.
Ow! It's good practice for softball.
you get to go.
Hey.
Hey, we're gonna suspend
All right,
the
I think it's
blindfold.
Abby's turn.
Okay.
Good job. Good job.
Okay, yay, Lukey!
Good job, Luke.
You don't need the blindfold anymore.
No more
No more
blindfold?
blindfold. Let's get her
All
done.
right, get back, get back.
Okay, watch out. Wait, Abby, wait till the boys move.
Here, Lincoln.
Okay, go, Abby.
Go get it.
Daddy, fix it!
Road rage. Road rage for 2.
She's getting that.
I have rage. I'm not turning my back on her.
You gonna get that pinata open or what?
Chris, put it back up.
Hang on, Daddy has to hang it back up.
Candy will fall.
Kind of.
I
I think it broke off the.
See her? Good.
Wow, this thing is almost.
Don't mess with her in the dark alley.
It broke out the little zip tie thingamajig.
Dad, are you gonna help?
As long as her poles stand stationary. You know what? I'm around its neck.
Yeah.
Why don't you just
Gotta be dead by now. Chris, hold it.
Dead by now.
Whoa, don't hit anybody with that stick.
Throw the stick or anything. That was looking odd.
That was wicked hard.
Don't get the candy out.
Did the thing rip off?
Yes, it did. I was racking so hard.
Oh my gosh.
If I whack myself right in the back leg, I would like fly from over my butt.
Oh my gosh.
Forever.
Wait, don't hit me with that stick.
If she can't break it, I'll break it for her.
No.
Does she? I think she'll get it.
Yeah. Well, that way you can stand there and grab the candy. Because if you're batting at it, you're not gonna be able to hold your bag.
Does everybody have their bags?
Yep.
How we doing here?
Sentence to hang at.
You're getting that black cat from this morning, huh, Ab?
He's fast. I hit it wicked.
I know, you hit it wicked hard. It's a weapon. BK, you can't hit it until we tell you to go, all right? Batters up. Okay.
Gladiator. Yeah. I have gladiator before battle. It's gonna go through. Walmart. Yeah. Hey, why don't you wait? Yeah.
Wait till
Keep your eye on it. Keep your eye on it.
Try on the ball.
Get it, Abby. Come on. Whack that cat. Whack that cat. Whack that cat. Yay! Come on, come get the candy. Come on. Come pick up the candy. Come pick up the candy. Let the boys come. Let's come pick up the candy. Woo! Pick it up.
Is there any in the head or anything?
No, it's just that little space.
Body.
Yeah. All right. Yay!
Oh, good.
Good job.
Thanks.
You got it. It was teamwork. Everybody kind of.
You're busted.
Come on, Lukey. Yeah.
Stop, Aunt Melissa's gonna eat it.
Chris made me go get a screwdriver when he was fixing it.
he got it. He gave it a little help.
Did you get it?
Yes, she did.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
All
good.
right.
The boys pick up the rest.